Rotary Evaporator, or Rotovap. First, make sure all glassware is clean before use. If not, notify the TA or professor and assist them with cleaning. Next, attach your round bottom flask with the sample to the Rotovap suction port with the appropriate clamps. Remember, the big end of the clamp should be attached to the big end of the glass connector and the small end to your round bottom flask. Next, turn on the pump beside the Rotovap. Adjust the flask so that it is at about 1/2 inch in the water bath. Turn on the motor and set it to a modest speed. Close the vacuum valve located on the other end of the Rotovap. Pay attention to the solution as it evaporates. If it begins to boil up, turn the valve until the boiling stops, then close it again. If the solution is taking a while to evaporate, ask your TA or professor if you may increase the bath temperature. When the solvent stops dripping into the cold trap, raise the flask out of the water bath, stop rotation of the flask by turning off the motor, slowly open the vacuum valve until it is completely open, remove your flask, and turn off the vacuum pump. Loss of product may result from the following: using a round bottom flask that is more than half full or using the water bath at high temperatures.